Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make chicken kalia on your request, and this is going to be step by step. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some chicken. I'm using a whole chicken and this is about 3.5 pounds. So this is chicken leg and chicken breast mixed together. Plain yogurt, ginger and garlic paste, potatoes. This is raw potatoes which I have peeled and I cut them into big pieces. All I have added is just a little bit of salt and yellow food color, just 1 tablespoon of vegetable ghee, some onion finely grated, 1 large onion paste, some chopped fresh coriander, chopped fresh mint, green chilies. For the spices, I have cumin powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, cloves powder, coriander powder, little bit of red chili powder, black pepper powder, and salt. Okay guys, my potatoes and the onion is going to fry, which we're gonna do that after the oil is preheating over there back to me. So in the meantime, I'm using a pot. This is, you can see this is a high side pot and it is also non-stick, which is the best. So I just want to marinate my chicken right now. So add your chicken into the pot with ginger garlic paste, my plain yogurt, onion, add all your spices and all the fresh herb with the green chilies. And now you can use your hand and mix everything together. I'm using my wooden spoon. If you know me and my wooden spoon are the best match, or I would say my wooden spoon is my best friend. So yeah, just give this a good mix. I have about a cup of oil that is heating. And I'm gonna add my ghee. You can totally avoid the ghee if you don't want to. This is even if you don't add your ghee, your kalia will be still good. So let that melt. Okay. And the heat is on medium. And now I'm gonna add my potatoes, and then let this fry. You have to flip them in between, and that would take about 5 to 7 minutes, or depending on how high is your heat, it can be up to 10 minutes. So let that fry and then we'll move forward. It's been 8 minutes and it's time to remove the potatoes. I did flip them time to time. Now in the same oil, and the heat is still on medium, I'm gonna add my onion and then fry until nice golden brown in color. Okay guys, so you can see my onion is getting brown. That's not enough. Time to time, you guys have to take a wooden spoon or any slaughter spoon and try to mix so everywhere can be the same color, just like so. And then in about, I would say 20 more seconds, I'm gonna remove the onion. And now it's time to remove the onion. Okay, now I have my chicken that was marinated in the meantime that we were frying the potatoes and the onion. To that, I'm gonna add the fried onion, all of them. And then you wanna mix them as well. Add the fry potatoes with the leftover food colors that was in there as well. And then a cup of oil mixed with ghee that we were frying the onion and the potatoes. I'm using the same oil. Add this to your mixture and then mix everything well. Add about a cup of water. Mix, and now this is going to go on stove on the low heat. Okay guys, now my pot is back on the stove and the stove is on medium heat, medium low heat, between low and medium, because you want this to cook on low flame, which is the best way to cook Kalia. And then you can see it's not watery. As the chicken is cooking, it will leave water as well. So I add just 1 cup of water, which was measuring cup. It's not the coffee cup. It's just measuring 1 cup of water. And then at this point, you can also taste your salt. If you need more salt, you can add more salt. And then you're gonna cover this and let this cook. All right, it's been exactly 20 minutes. And let's check the Kalia, and this is what you see. So I'm just gonna cover this back and let this cook and until completely done. I have just turned off my stove and I have removed my chicken Kalia, and it took me 45 minutes to cook, cover, and I have not added any more water after the 1 cup that I have added. And do not forget that we have also yogurt that leave water as well. So you guys can see how tender is the potatoes. It's already breaking, and the chicken as well. Get the full written recipe down below. I will see you next time. Bye.